Well, one very important advice for all of the guys who are maybe in their 40s or maybe in their 50s or maybe in their 60s. Suppose somewhere some young women begin showing interest in you. Suppose a woman who maybe is in her later teens or maybe in her 20s or maybe in her early 30s begin showing interest in you. Do not ever think that just because this girl is young, you also need to act young with this woman. And by young, I mean here that you also need to act like some teenager boy with this woman. See, boys, I mean men actually, men who are in their later 40s or maybe in their 50s and 60s, even this woman can see which age you belong to. Okay, nobody can hide their age. Anybody can look at anyone and can tell their age. So when you are a guy in your later 40s or maybe in your 50s or 60s, even this woman who is in her later teens maybe or maybe in her 20s can see that you are a man who is 40 plus or maybe 50 plus or who maybe is 60 plus. And even if she is showing interest in you in spite of your age, and in spite she is very much aware of your age, if she is still showing interest in you, she is showing interest in you because of your age. Maybe she needs something which she can get only from a man of this age. Okay, this girl is not some fool, stupid, ignorant human being, right? I've been telling you again and again that women are also smart, especially today's women. They become very smart at very young age. We are living in the era of internet. So first of all, you cannot hide your age with women. Second thing, do not get overexcited simply because some young woman is showing interest in you, and because of the overexcitement, do not ever begin acting stupid. Do not ever think that you need to act like some teenage boy with this woman simply because she is young. No, this woman can see that you are a 40, 50, 60 plus man, and she is still showing interest in you because maybe she is needing something. She is looking for something which she can get from a man like you who is 40 plus, maybe 60 plus, or maybe 50 plus. Otherwise, she had, I mean, the woman always has choice. The woman in her later teens or maybe in her 20s can choose a guy who is still a teenager or who is maybe in his early 30s. This woman can understand this much. She can go for any such guy, but she is still going for you. Why? Because she is looking for something which she can get only from a man who is 40 plus, maybe 50 plus, maybe 60 plus. So you do not need to switch off your brain because of some over excitement, and you do not need to begin acting as if you are some teenager or as if you are somebody who is still in your 20s, because you will look stupid when you are a man of 40 plus, 50 plus, or maybe 60 plus, and if you will try to act cool simply because this woman is young, thinking that maybe because this woman thinking that because this woman is young, you also need to match her. You also need to match her energies, you also need to match her age. If you will begin acting as a teenager or maybe as somebody who's still in his 20s, you will make yourself appear stupid, immature. So you do not need to be this stupid actually. Okay, always know that women have options, and if this woman, in spite of being young, still choosing you over guys who are still in their 20s, it means that she's looking for something which only 40 plus, 50 plus, 60 plus men can give to women, which is why she is choosing you. So you need to act your age, you need to behave your age, you need to be your age. And of course, being acting and behaving your age, I do not mean that you become too boring and too, monotonous in your life. You still need to be happy go lucky. I mean, in spite of being in your 40s and 50s and 60s, you still need to be happy-go-lucky kind of man and man who is still fun-loving and all. Okay, simply because you have crossed an age, it does not mean that you have given up all of the fun of your life and you have still. I mean, you have given all of the enthusiasm and the zeal of living your life. Simply because you have crossed an age, it does not mean that you have given up all of the zeal and enthusiasm of living your life. No, even in this age, you must be enthusiastic about living your life, enjoying your life, having fun in your life. It is a different case. But all I am trying to tell you is that thinking that the girl is still young, you do not begin acting like a teenager. You do not begin acting like some man or some boy who's still in her early 20s, thinking that the woman is young, so you must match her age. Because if you will be like this, you will make yourself appear stupid. You will make yourself appear immature. Maybe this woman is choosing you who has crossed an age because she is looking for maturity. She is looking for stability. She is looking for sincerity, which only man who has crossed an age can have and can give to women. And if you will go and begin acting like some teenager and begin acting like some 20 plus guy, you will turn off the woman. The woman will lose all her interest in you because she came to you thinking to get something from you. And when she will look at you, when she will look at you that you're also acting like some teenager and some 20 plus guy, obviously she will lose all her interest in you. She'll get turned off by you. And I have seen many of the men doing this mistake. They have crossed an age, and simply because the woman or the girl is young, they think that simply because the girl is young, they should also overact and overreact. They must also show to the woman that they are also in their teens and in their early 20s. And in their attempt to look young and to match the age of the woman, they make themselves appear fool and stupid and immature. So this is one mistake that I want all of you men to know and to stop doing it. Okay, always be in your age, always act your age. Of course you need to be fun loving. You should not get up, you should never become a boring guy, and you should never give up the zeal of living and enjoying and having fun in your life. It is a different thing for you to know. Just because you have crossed a number, it does not mean that you should give up all of the zeal to live your life and to have fun in your life. But this woman can see that you are a man of this age, and in spite of this, if this woman is still choosing you, she is choosing you for your age. She is choosing you for what she can get from a man of your age. And if you will not give those things to the woman, and if you will begin acting like some a teenager boy, or maybe some boy who is still in his 20s, you'll turn off the woman. You'll lose your opportunity, and you'll kill your opportunity with this woman, because she will get turned off when she will not receive what she is expecting from you. So know this, okay? Do not ever do this mistake. Be proud of your age. Be proud of your age. Never try to hide your age from people. Never be shy of and never be afraid of revealing it before people. Yes, I am 40 plus. Yes, I am 50 plus. Yeah, yes, I am 60 plus. And I am telling you, it is all a matter of luck, coincidence, chance, whatever you want to call it. You still stand chance with all different women of all different age. And some women who are still young can still fall for you. It may happen. It is happening in so many men's life. But many of these men know how to handle these women, how to be with these women. And many of you men spoil your opportunity with these young women by being ignorant about this fact. Simply because maybe you get overexcited that some young woman is showing interest in you. So you must not lose your brain ever. If some young woman is showing interest in you, you still maintain your maturity, your sincerity, your stability, your standard, your class, your attitude, your behavior, your demeanor. Yes, I am 40 plus man. Yes, I am 50 plus man. Yes, I am 60 plus man. There's nothing to feel ashamed of it. And you do not need to change yourself, okay? Simply because this woman is young, you do not need to change your ways and yourself for the woman, because this is what the mistake many of you men do, and you kill your opportunities with women. So know this, always be proud, always be proud of your age, and always act, behave your age. And even when a young woman is showing interest in you, handle her and be with her, handle her and be with her, being in your age. Do not try to change yourself, do not try to match the age of the woman. No, you are a man of maturity, sincerity, stability, standard, class, you know. And most probably this woman is choosing you because of all these things, because even this woman can see your age. You cannot hide your age, okay? Even this woman can see what is your age is, and most probably she is still choosing you over young boys, because she can feel and she can see what all values and stuff she can receive from you, because you are a man of that age. And most probably she is choosing you over young boys because of all these things. And obviously if she will not get all of those things from you, she'll pull back, she'll get turned off, and you'll spoil your opportunity with this woman. So be in your age, be proud of your age, always act your age, never be afraid of, never be shy of revealing your age to people. And even when a young woman is showing interest in you, handle her maturely, be with her being in your age, and do not try to match. Never do this stupid mistake of matching her age. No, you're still a man in your 40s, in your 50s, or maybe a man in your 60s. Just be who you are, be original, and be who you are.